make and made in English. Understanding different usages with examples. Introduction. The verbs make and made are frequently used in English to indicate actions or the creation of something. Make is the base form, while made is the past tense and past participle form. Understanding when to use these forms can enhance your conversational and written English. This lesson will cover different contexts for make and made along with useful examples to help you master these common terms. Make. The verb make is often used to indicate the preparation or creation of something, especially food and drinks. Examples. To make coffee, I'll make some coffee for breakfast. To make dinner, I'll make dinner for the family. I'll make some tea or hot chocolate. I make breakfast, lunch, and supper every day. Make. Make is also used in phrases where someone creates something or performs an activity. This could include making documents, sounds, or recordings. Examples. The teacher is making a photocopy. He's making a film or video of the class. The children are making a noise. Don't make mistakes with make. Some phrases in English use other verbs rather than make to indicate tasks or activities. It's essential to use the correct verbs in these cases to avoid common mistakes. Examples. Incorrect. Correct. I have to make my homework. I have to do my homework. I have to make an exam next week. I have to take or do an exam next week. I'd like to make a photo of you. I'd like to take a photo of you. I'll help you make the dishes. I'll help you do the dishes. It makes me feel. Make is also used in expressions describing how something affects a person's feelings or state. Examples. Going by train always makes me feel tired. My friend called me stupid. It made me feel angry. That film made me feel sad. Additional examples and tips. Here are more examples and tips for using make correctly. Let's make some plans for the weekend. She makes a delicious breakfast every morning. I made a shopping list before heading to the store. Additional examples of make a phrases. Can you make a copy of this document? The director made a speech at the conference. My friend made a joke that everyone laughed at. Tips for avoiding mistakes with make. 1. Use do instead of make for tasks or activities that involve completing something, such as homework, housework, or an exam. 2. Use take instead of make for capturing images or booking appointments, like taking a photo or taking an appointment. Additional phrases for describing feelings with make. The news made me feel excited. This weather makes me feel happy and relaxed. That comment made me feel a bit uneasy. Conclusion. Mastering the usage of make and made in various contexts will improve your English fluency. Practice using these examples and try spotting other uses in conversations or written material. Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more grammar tips. And if you have any questions or need more examples, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Click here to subscribe. To watch our previous lessons, click here.